Ethereal Gull.
I know it's been a long, cold winter, but the summer's gonna melt the snow. Listen to the robins singing as the frozen rivers start to flow. I promise you a steady love, strong enough, it won't cave in. I'll be with you wherever you dare to go until the end. Yeah, before you know it, things are gonna get better. Before you know it, you'll be standing on the other side. You've got no reason to be worried about forever. This very moment, before you know it, sooner than later you'll be living in the answer of every prayer that you prayed when you thought your hope was gone. For all you know, maybe a miracle has happened. This very moment, before you know it. Before you know it, it's like you got your arms stretched out and you're waiting for the wind to blow. You're standing on the mountain top, but your eyes are on the valley below. I promise you a steady love, strong enough, it won't cave in. I'll be with you wherever you dare to go until the end. Yeah, before you know it, things are gonna get better. Before you know it, you'll be standing on the other side. You've got no reason to be worried about forever. This very moment, before you know it, sooner than later you'll be living in the answer of every prayer that you prayed when you thought your hope was gone. For all you know, maybe a miracle has happened. This very moment, before you know it. I know you can't see it right now, from deep in the shadow of doubt. My love will carry you out. And though you can't say it right now, beyond the shadow of doubt, my love will carry you out. Oh, before you know it, things are gonna get better. Before you know it, you'll be standing on the other side. You've got no reason to be worried about forever. This very moment, before you know it, sooner than later you'll be living in the answer of every prayer that you prayed when you thought your hope was gone. For all you know, maybe a miracle has happened. This very moment, before you know it. This very moment, before you know it. You could try to tie me down, you could try to wear me out, put me out in the rain, just gas on a flame. And you can't control, but you can't control. You could try to tame the wild, you could try to blame this child, try to medicate me, call it ADHD, but you can't control, but you can't control. Ooh, don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? Well, you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal, and you can't tame a cageless soul. You try to keep me in on lines, I just wanna go outside, take the long way home, find it on my own, but you can't control, but you can't control. Ooh, don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? No, you can't tame a cageless soul. What you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal. Don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? What you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal. And you can't tame a cageless soul. Can't keep a line in the living room and act like it isn't. Oh, this kind of love. No, you can't tame a cageless soul. No, you can't tame a cageless soul. Stop. Try it. No, you can't tame a cageless soul.
Ethereal Gull.